Have you ever noticed something strange? Some people walk into a room and everyone pays attention, while others talk, try, explain, and still no one takes them seriously. Why? Because respect has nothing to do with loudness, looks, or money. Respect comes from behavior. And today, I'll tell you the exact behaviors that make people respect you quietly, naturally, and instantly. Respect starts with how you treat yourself. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear: people treat you the way you treat yourself. If you allow others to waste your time, if you let people talk over you, if you forgive disrespect again and again, then the world assumes, I can treat this person however I want. Self-respect, public respect. Start with you. Speak less, mean more. There's a psychology fact: people who talk too much lose power. People who speak less are seen as more confident and trustworthy. You don't need big speeches. You don't need to explain every decision. You don't owe everyone your thoughts. Say what you need to say clearly and stop. Power is in silence, not noise. Never chase approval. One big reason people lose respect is because they try too hard. They try to impress. They try to be liked. They try to fit in. But the more you chase approval, the more it runs away. People respect those who can stand alone. People respect those who don't beg for validation. People respect those who can say no without fear. Remember, approval is earned, not requested. Respect your own time. If you always say yes, if you're always available, if you cancel your plans for others, people will think your time is cheap. Protect your time. Set boundaries. Say I'm busy without guilt. When your time becomes valuable to you, it becomes valuable to others. Don't react emotionally. Anyone can get angry. Anyone can shout. Anyone can react. But the one who stays calm, the one who listens without losing control, that person becomes dangerous and respected. Emotional control is a superpower. People follow those who can remain stable under pressure. Be the person who delivers. You know what builds massive respect? Doing what you said you would do. Not talking, not planning, not promising, just quietly showing up, quietly improving, quietly completing. Consistency earns more respect than talent ever will. When you become dependable, people can't help but respect you. Value goes further than volume. There's a simple rule: if you want respect, be useful. Give solutions, not excuses. Bring calmness, not drama. Offer clarity, not confusion. People respect those who make their lives better. Stop explaining yourself too much. Have you noticed how confident people behave? They don't justify every small thing. They don't explain why they're quiet. They don't defend every choice. They say, "This is my decision." And that's enough. Over-explaining is a sign of insecurity. Confidence is simple and short. Ending, powerful takeaway. Respect is not something you demand. Respect is something you become. Change your habits. Change your presence. And you'll notice how people start treating you differently. Not because you asked for respect, but because you finally earned it.